Hello, hello everyone. Ooh. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, how do you do? I'm glad to be with you. And you, and you, and you. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. 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 La-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world and wherever you are right now. And I am live. I'm here live with you guys. How are you? How's your Monday? Nakaka-hype, di ba? Nakaka-hype ang Monday even if it's the start of the week. The beginning, the kick-off. Aba no? Ang dami mong sinabi dyan. So, so share ko muna to. Yahoo! Sharing to everyone. Hello, hello guys. And I'm on my live for today again. So every day you'll see me going live, doing this live because we have this 90 days Go Success Challenge. Hi, Sis Virginia. How are you, Sis Virginia from Canada? Hi. So, yes, this 90 Days Success Challenge and initiated by our business partners for self-improvement, personal growth, self-confidence, and to form a new habit, di ba? So that's why I joined this 90 Days Success Challenge. O ba, cooking time, yes. Makinig ka, ganun eh. Habang nagluluto, o, di ba? So, yes sis, na-watch ko yung live mo kanina. It's so nice that you're starting it. Keep doing it every day. It's a very nice feeling, o, di ba? So, yes, especially, this is our 5th week already. So, fifth week. Tama, 5th week. Oh my gosh, imagine. This is the kick of our 5th week ng aming 90 day ng aming success challenge. Oh wow, almost na, malapit nang makalahati. But anyways, for this week, we will be for our 29th day ngayon. I will just share something about, about work-life balance, the relationship of work-life balance. Next. So, and this week it will be all about work-life balance. All about, oo nga, kahit na mahirap na naman ang mag-go live kasi you have to, think, entertain, share something. Pero as you do it every day, parang nakakagaan ng feeling, Sis Virginia. As you do it every day, parang mas lumalabas yung mga ideas mo, nagiging lumalabas yung tunay na ikaw. Kasi parang doon mo ma-realize na ang dami mo palang i-share, ang dami mo palang, alam mo yun, ang dami mo palang kwento na magandang i-share. At saka yung maganda doon, you are reflecting on yourself, on kung ano yung mga magandang dapat i-improve sa'yo. At saka na-realize mo yung yung mga yung na-realize mo yung takbo ng buhay mo, kung paano mo nakikita tumakbo, umusad ang buhay mo. At saka yung kagandahan doon, at least you have a time to reflect and learn new things when you go on, which is nakakatuwa. Parang yun yung realizations na nakukuha ko dito sa aming 90 Days Success Challenge, which is nakakagaan lang ng feeling, and you become more light and bubbly. You become more positive in seeing life. Yes, Sis Virginia, totoo talaga. Tapos, kahit mahirap kasi this is not our comfort zone eh. We are not comfortable doing this and we're not doing it before, and especially this is our first time. Siguro yung iba na sanay na mahilig magsalita or marunong mag-public speaking magaling sa public speaking kumbaga. So parang madali lang sa kanila, pero sa atin ng mga first timer talaga, parang ang hirap. But when you start doing the challenge, parang ang saya lang. Ang dami mong realizations na ma-realize. Hi, Sis Joannette, and hi, Tita Ruth. Thank you for watching and coming into my live. So, yes, Kamsat, kaya ituloy mo lang data go live. Kasi, maganda siya. Pag naghahanap ka ng self-improvement, professional growth, and want to form a new habit, maganda siya. Lalo na pag nagre-reflect ka sa mga nangyayari sa buhay mo, that you want to change something, at least, di ba, may nagpapaalala sa'yo na, oh, ano, bakit nga ba? Tapos yung mahirap kasi every day you have to think of a new topic or a new parang ano bang dapat gawin ganun, but it's a good thing to go with a group, like kaya very thankful ako nung initiate ni Sis Maristel itong 90 Days Success Challenge, and I jumped in right away because it's good to do it with a group, 'di ba? Yung grupo kayong gumagawa, at least you give advices, you learn you learn to each other. O, 'di ba? Yun yung maganda. But for this fifth week of our 90 Days Success Challenge, we will be talking about work-life balance. So, for the whole week, yan ang mapapakinggan ninyo regarding work-life balance. So, pag-uusapan natin ang mga time management, how to set boundaries, prioritization, kumbaga, flexibility, self-care, especially self-care, kailangan natin yan, at saka yung support system, o, diba? So, we will gonna be talking about that for the whole week, and yung goal natin dito is to not causing stress, a lot of stress, burnout, or dissatisfaction on what we do every day. So, yan yung magiging week natin ngayon for the fifth week. Kasi importante itong life-work balance kasi para maiwasan natin ang burnout, 'di ba? Para ma-enhance natin ang ating productivity, to be productive, and let us improve our relationship with our family, with our workmates, with our friends, 'di ba? And especially it boosts mental health. Yan yung pag-uusapan natin ngayong week. So, if you have anything to share, then I like to, put a comment below if you have something to share regarding work-life balance na pwede natin, or kwento. Maybe you have stories to share, and maybe you can send it to me, just message me, and then I can share it, di ba? So, hopefully, may mga kwentong buhay tayong maaalala as we kick off or start this week, especially this Monday. And we will gonna be talking about the challenges that we will be encountering just to have this work-life balance, like the technology, o di ba? Yung mga work culture, yung mga personal ambitions natin, and especially if our big why. Yun naman talaga ang dahilan kung bakit natin dapat talagang i-work up ang ating work-life balance, di ba? Dahil may malaki tayong big why. Kasi pag hindi natin nababalance yan, if we don't have any equilibrium on our work-life situation, then so many opportunities will be missed out. So, para, di ba, makaka-relate kayo for last week's topic that we talked about small wins, small achievements, and opportunities. So, having this work-life balance situation or equilibrium ba, hindi natin mamimiss yung mga importanteng mga opportunities na binabato sa atin ni Lord. O, diba? Hi, Sis Miriam. Hi, Sis Maristel. They're watching. Wow. Sis Rachel, thank you for coming into my live. Oh, thank you, Sis Miriam. Great job on doing lives now. Thank you. So, yes, yun yung mga realizations na kukuha ko dito sa 90 Days Success Challenge. And I'm very, very thankful that I'm doing it with my group or teammates. O, di ba? My business partners. Oh, yes, Ate Meg talaga. Yes. Yun talaga yung yun talaga yung kagandahan. So, when a business partner initiated it, I jumped right away. I just sent her a message right away. Para kasi there's no turning back if you really have this big why and big ambition in life, 'di ba? So no turning back talaga, talagang tuloy-tuloy mo na. Sinimulan mo na why not continue it? As long as wala kang natatapakang tao, wala kang nasasaktang tao, 'di ba? And you are just sharing the blessings. Hi sis Aranet, thank you. Thank you for watching. Oh, great job. Really? I don't see it yet. But I can feel that I'm getting there, being comfortable with in the camera, di ba? Pero I don't know if we still have more to improve, especially ang pag-English natin, di ba? Hi Sis Rachel from Houston, Texas. Thank you for watching. So I think that will be our topic for the whole week. So I'm just boasting na I'm having this 90 days go live success challenge with my business partners, and they are all watching. Oh wow. So yes. So stoked to be watching with your 10 million viewers. I know. Hopefully darating din tayo dyan, sis Meg. Oh my gosh. Ngayon, was like 6 million pala. But getting there, right? So we just have to keep on going, continue doing it, and be consistent on what we do. So yun lang ang aking sasabihin ngayong Monday, since it's a kick-off or start of the week. So I'm just gonna share what our activities will be for the whole week. And if someone can share some stories that I can share, just send me a message or send the comments below. O, diba? Yes, just showing up every day is enough, sabi ni Sis Meg, which is true. If you have a business, it's just like opening a store, diba? If you have a business, you have this business, you have to show up every day. You have to show that this is. Hi, Uncle Rocky. Thank you for watching. You have to show that you have a business, and you have to share the blessing, you know? It's just like having a franchise or a store that you have to open up every day, or else no one will come in and see you and see what you are doing, and no one will come in to check what's your business, o diba? So yes, showing up every day is a must for us, and I'm very, very glad that, I'm very much comfortable right now. Before, I didn't realize that that this business is really has a very big potential. That's why I didn't paid enough attention on what to do, like for this social media thing, because I'm not comfortable doing it. That's why I'm just first disregarding it, like choosing what I want to do. But hindi pala dapat ganun. But you have to give all your best, best na dapat gawin para matupad ang iyong pangarap. Hindi mo lang pipiliin kung ano lang ba dapat. Don't choose the black and white, or disregard the black or disregard the white. No, kailangan mo pala talagang pagsamahin lahat. Yun yung na-realize ko sa having this business. Hi Cheryl, thank you for watching. I'm just sharing what will be our topic for the whole week. And it's all about life balance, work-life balance. So, hi Sis Lori, thank you for watching. Hope we're gonna meet one day. I heard that you're from Sacramento, and we are just down here in Antioch, California, neighbor with the Gina. Yes. Yes, and the good thing is doable siya. Sabi ni Sis Maristel, na pwede mo nga gawin anytime, anywhere, at saka flexible talaga, at your own time, at your own pace, di ba? At saka kung ano yung alam mo, you can just share it, and then along the way, there are so many learnings that you will get and realize, and then just share it. Yun yung kagandahan. And then yes, sa business, yun yung parang unang ginawa ko, that I disregard some of it, but along the way there are so many realizations that you will experience, and give prioritize to, na ma-realize mo din na ma-realize mo din na dapat pala yun. So you have to give all your best. I know that some of us are still not comfortable, but taking one small step at a time, you will get there. But I'm just telling you guys, but don't take it too long. We know that life is a learning process. Having this business is a learning process, but don't take it too long. You have to be proactive. You have to go one step ahead, para makita mo yung kagandahan ng business talaga, at saka yung business maganda ang ibabalik sa iyo in return if you're one step ahead. So yun yung kagandahan. Hi Sis Jenny, thank you for watching. So yun yung mga realizations ng mga nakukuha ko along the way as we do this 90 Days Success Challenge. And I can see that it's not only for personal growth, it's not only for professional growth, hindi lang sa habit, but it also boosts your mental health, kumbaga, especially mental health. Nowadays, it's a big challenge for everyone having mental health problems, di ba? Kahit na bata pa lang, ang dami ng problema, especially these new generations. So, I was so thankful, really, really thankful na malaki talagang impact nito. And I'm very, very proud of it. So, yes, so I'm inviting everyone to check our business, and check what we are doing. My link is below, www.josankit.com. If you don't see my website, just go to my website, www.josankit.com. Just enter your name and your email address, and you will see the overview of our business. And it will just tell there what we are doing as a digital business owner. But if you want to proceed with step two, you have. I will tell you guys, yes, there is a payment or a membership fee, but that is only a one-time payment. And once you paid that, you will see the black and white or the blueprint of our business, of our business. So, and our platform. And if it's a good fit for you, then we can talk, or we can book a coaching call, and you will proceed, and we will be business partners. We will be sharing the blessings, di ba? So that's what I can share with the business. So why won't you just go ahead and check it, guys? And don't worry about that fee or registration fee or membership fee. That is fully refundable. So we will return it back to you if you're not happy or if it's not a good fit for you. So that's it. And let me just share. Sabi ni Cheryl Lanoro, yes, it is scary to start the 90 Days Success Challenge, but as time goes by, it is fun, and before you know it, you are enjoying and at the same time learning. Yes, yun yung talagang nakaka-proud. Oh my gosh, especially having this generation na talagang nasa digital generation na talaga tayo, and we're going there, no turning back. kaya if you want to be a trend, or you want to be a cool ate or a cool tita, then why not join us, di ba? Why not join me? Aba, nagiging cool ate or cool tita ko. So yes, and very proud business partner here. Thank you guys, and yes, I am also very proud with you, Sis Iza. Thank you for coming in and checking. Hi sis, and yes, yun lang yung talagang masishare ko, na overflowing gratitude with the teammates, with the business partners, with the business that I'm having right now. It's really, really a blessing, and you will see it. You won't see what I'm talking about if you won't check it yourself, diba? And while we are here sharing, and we will be here for a long time for sure. We will be here for decades, diba? Because this business is really a good business. Ang daming likes, ang daming hearts ni Zap. Parang naglilihi ka ba? So, hi Sis Julie. Thank you for watching. So yes, that's what I want to share for now, and hope I'll see you tomorrow again for the go live for the for the success challenge. Yes, for life. Yeah, tama. For life itong business talaga kasi you will see me here. And for sure that I will be here for a long time. 'Di ba? Until retirement, baka more than pa. Oh, ito na yung gagawin ko kasi I'm having fun, I'm learning, and I'm growing as a person. Especially it boosts my mental health. Yes. So, that's it for the whole week. Yes. Thank you, Miss Lori. Yeah, I got caught by you. Ang daming nahuhuli. Naiya nga ako pero I have to. So, yes, that's for the whole week. We're gonna be talking about life balance, the key aspects, the importance, and its challenges. So that will be for the whole week. And just watch me or go on my live for this whole week to learn more. If not, then just go on my replays, right? And hopefully I can share some stories. May maalala tayong mga kwento na naman para i-share. And if guys, if I will just bring you in on my Go Live, please accept my invite, please. Don't ignore, please. Ganun eh. So, yes. Thank you, guys. I have to go, and see you again tomorrow. Have a good Monday. Blessed Monday. Mahaba-haba pa. May 4 days. Di bali, 4 days na lang before Friday. And it will be another weekend. So, yes. Thank you so much. Mahaba pa ang ating kwentuhan. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. And by the way, my name is Julianne. I'm a business partner and a business owner who helps individuals to jumpstart their online business. So kindly check on my website. Check the link below, www.josonkit.com. Thank you, guys. Love you. Bye-bye.